This is Pioneer's DMH-2660NEX. This is an in-dash AM, FM, and HD radio, audio-video digital media receiver with a 6.8-inch capacitive glass touchscreen. The DMH-2660NEX works with Apple CarPlay when connected to a compatible iPhone using a wired connection through USB. The DMH-2660NEX works with Android Auto when connected to a compatible Android phone with a wired connection through USB. The DMH-2660NEX also works with Amazon Alexa when connected to a compatible phone with a wired connection through USB. The DMH-2660NEX has 3 sets of RCA outputs for operating external amplifiers and is backup camera ready and Sirius XM ready. The USB port can be used to connect your phone and play back MP3 or FLAC music and MP4 videos. The system features built-in Bluetooth for both hands-free calling and wireless streaming audio. Let's take a look and see what's in the box. All right, let's pop this thing open. And the first thing we get here is the wire harness. So we'll use the wire harness here to connect all of the electrical connections from the in-dash receiver over to the vehicle. That would include power and ground and speakers, all of those types of connections. Next up, we have some install screws. There's a handful of install screws there. Okay. Next up, we have the Bluetooth microphone. So the Bluetooth microphone here is used for making hands-free Bluetooth phone calls and voice commands in Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. It comes on a wire about 10 feet long or so, typically installed up around the headliner, so it's easy for the driver to talk to it. Let's see. Next up is the USB-A extension. So the USB port is on the back of this receiver, so we include a USB-A extension to bring the USB port up into the passenger compartment of your vehicle. Then we have the wireless remote control. There's the wireless remote included in the box. All right. Then we have, let's see here. Here is the quick start guide. Okay, there's the quick start guide. And remember that you can download a complete copy of the owner's manual in PDF form right onto your phone from pioneerelectronics.com. All right, and we also have the warranty card. All right, there's the warranty card. Now let's pull the receiver up out of here. There we go. The front panel of the DMH-2660NEX has a simple layout. All of the control buttons are built into the capacitive glass touchscreen here. The volume control is here. And the home key and display keys are here. This is the voice activation key. The capacitive glass touchscreen measures 7 inches diagonal with a 6.8-inch video playback area. The DMH-2660NEX is an audio-video digital media receiver that does not have a CD or DVD player. The back panel of the DMH-2660NEX starts off with 2 black plugs up here. The Bluetooth microphone included with the product used for making hands-free Bluetooth phone calls will plug in right here. And this jack can be used to operate your steering wheel controls through a third-party adapter. You'll use this port for the optional SXV300 tuner from Sirius XM. This port can be used with the optional iDataLink Maestro RR OEM integration unit. Here is the USB-A port that can be used for Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, or Amazon Alexa. The USB port can also be used for music, movies, and still images through a USB flash drive. And remember, we include a USB extension in the box to bring the USB port up into the passenger compartment of your vehicle. Next is the audio and video auxiliary input. And this is where you'll plug in the power and ground wire harness connected to the vehicle. The Pioneer DMH-2660NEX has a built-in amplifier that is designed to operate with up to 4 speakers in your vehicle. On the other side, we start off with 3 sets of 4-volt RCA outputs for operating external amplifiers. They can be set up as front, rear, and subwoofer output, or for more control and better sound quality, high, mid, and low output. Here is the audio and video RCA input and the RCA video output. This can also be used for a second camera input. And the brown jack here is the dedicated backup camera input. The DMH-2660NEX is designed to be used with the optional ND-BC8 backup camera from Pioneer. And finally, the AM/FM and HD radio antenna from the vehicle will plug in right here. And that is Pioneer's DMH-2660NEX. And what's in the box?